this is just making me have to pee. Just hit my head. Good morning and welcome to Tajar Tuesday. I'm Jeremy, you're you. Well, let's not waste time. Let's just get right into it. I've got a special guest riding with me. It's Eliza Brook, aka Beaner if you know her. She's just coming out of middle school, will start high school in the fall, but she's already an expert at these trails. One of the things that we like to stress to everybody is that whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's always something at the Trails Jakes Rocks for you. Eliza's going to answer some questions today, how she got so good so quick, as well as take us on one of her favorite trails. All right, Eliza, tell us how long you've been riding.
4.5 years.
And what was the toughest part about getting experience on the bike?
Probably like learning not to give up and just getting used to all the trails and everything.
What kept you motivated to keep going?
I wanted to be able to do everything, like get the trails completed. That was a good feeling.
What's your favorite trail?
Ursus.
Not good. There we go. What trail did you ride the most when you first started out?
The upper loop.
Yeah, and what was the toughest part about that loop?
For me when I started, probably the rock section.
Yeah, I think a lot of people find that as a tough section, but you mastered it, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. So what's your favorite part of Ursus?
Probably that it's like constantly downhill and it's just as like fun all the time.
Is there a part that's a challenge for you that you're still like working at, trying to get it as smooth or fast as possible?
Yeah, probably like being more controlled on the turns so I can go around them faster, or like, yeah, probably that. Yeah.
You look pretty fast to me, trying to keep up with you.
Thanks.
Is there another trail that you want to conquer or get better at riding?
I mean, like, I've done Bald Eagle, but I want to get better at that. Like, there's maybe one or two of the rock things that I couldn't quite get over the first time I did it, so probably that.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive. Bald Eagle's tough.
Yeah.
So, awesome riding today. Thanks so much. A little fist bump. I want to thank Eliza for taking the time to ride today. I hope that shows to everybody just how quickly you can get good. It just takes a little bit of time, getting out, getting over some of your fears, and being ready to have a ton of fun. Don't forget that we've got a couple things going on special here at the trails. We have the Strava group. Putting in those miles or getting you one step closer to a free registration for Trail Fest. And we also still have Ride and Seek Summer going on. I only know of 3, that's it, just 3 rocks found. So of the 10 that I've put out, there's only been 3 found so far. So there's plenty of them out there, and it's likely that we'll probably put some more out there very, very soon. So stay tuned to that. We'll change the colors of those. We'll put extra prizes and incentives out there. That way you guys aren't just having fun at the trails, but you're also making it worth your time. So thanks again, guys, for checking things out. Like, subscribe, follow on Instagram, Facebook, or any of our social media. That way you guys are always getting information. We try to put up weather, we try to put up trail conditions, and we try to make sure that you guys are getting the latest information about the trails at Jake's Rocks. Stay safe, have fun, and we'll see you out on the trails.